Loading up for a new project is always fun. I typically work out of my shop, but for this one, I'm going to be installing a metal railing that I made with a wood cap accent piece, and that requires me taking it to the job site. Once in the home, I started laying out all the components, all the pieces, just to ensure a fit. I've already done this prior to powder coating, but it is nice once the floor's down just to double check everything. Here you can see I'm bolting everything together. Prior to powder coating, I tapped and drilled new threads and inserted bolts to lock everything together that wasn't already welded. These are countersunk so that when they're totally installed, they're as minimal exposed as possible. Now just checking for alignment, fitting it on the floor in preparation to mark all my holes. After ensuring all the fit, I gotta move it all out of the way. Here I'm simply taking a marker and marking in the four corners of each post the whole location. Just moving the piece out of the way allows my template marks to be seen, and that is where I will continue to drill into the structure underneath the flooring. I'm going to be using a specialty lag bolt. Just cleaning up some of the mess as I go. Here you can see I'm taking the 6-inch lag bolts and running them into the floor and into the structure. The cardboard that you see is simply to protect the finish on the railing. Powder coating is extremely durable, but it's always safe to protect it as much as possible and prevent any unwanted damage during the install. Next up, I'm going to apply a bead of construction adhesive to the top of this rail. On the wood portion, I actually created a groove that will hug the top of this metal railing. It will also be screwed in through a slotted hole on the steel. All of that is to accomplish a look where you can still see the metal underneath the wood, where it all looks like one piece. You can especially see that there where I'm clamped. Next up, I'm simply cleaning everything up. Storing in the shop, installation, all of that just creates a lot of dust, mess. So I always clean everything that I install or deliver prior to anyone seeing it. In the end, this is the completed rail. It's matte black powder coating with a cotton white oak. All of this was made in my shop, powder coated and finished. One of my favorite portions of this build is the horizontal design. I just think it's very sleek and modern and stunning. I hope you guys enjoyed that video of me installing the metal railing with the wood accent. That is one of the things that I do quite frequently throughout the year, is build steel metal railing, cable railing, and usually it has a wood accent or a wooden component. What I like to do is actually weld and get stuff powder coated like you see in this example. This is a matte black steel powder coating. That's really common in the work that I do with the metal railing. Anyways, I hope that as you dive into home renovation or other projects that you enjoy doing or that you just enjoy watching, that you found something useful in this video. It's a modern style. It looks pretty fun. It fits in a lot of different homes. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I appreciate it, and we will see you next week.